Hi everyone, today I want to show you a really cool project that I found on the internet. A Raspberry Pi art frame that displays beautiful fractal art. For this build I used a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W and Waveshare 213-inch EPaper display, version 4. But you can also use smaller displays and larger ones, even 10 inches. And of course, not only in one color. After diving into this topic, I got a setup that not only looks great on my desk, but also helps me take regular breaks throughout the day. I set the image to change every 35 minutes, which is a nice reminder to step away from the screen and stretch a bit. And of course, every 35 minutes I have a new piece of digital art on my desk. Of course, the time of creating new image can be changed very easily. Another great thing is that the ePaper display uses power only during refreshes, which makes this project super energy efficient. If you are interested, I will show you step by step how I built this thin device. So, let's get started. When I found this project on GitHub, I immediately started looking for a new case for Raspberry Pi, and I found this. It looks nice and minimalist, so I printed it. I thought it would be nice to have also a stand to make this whole setup look nice and clear, and the power cable will be less visible. After some searching, I found a great model online and printed it out. It looks great, but in the future I want to buy another cable, something like this. I want to connect the cable from the bottom, and then it will look even better. Now, for the software, I used the Raspberry Pi imager and built Raspberry Pi OS little 64-bit on my microSD card. So, choose device, Raspberry Pi 02W, choose OS, other, Raspberry Pi OS little 64-bit storage, SD card, edit settings. Now you should set the hostname, username, password, Wi-Fi and so on. You can also allow public authentication only, but for me, for now, password authentication is okay. And save. Yes. Yes. Okay, this can take some time, so you can go for a coffee and I speed up the recording. Now we can put everything together. Okay, now I connected to the Raspberry Pi via SSH. Update. Sudo raspi-config. Interface options. And enable SPI. Yes. Okay. Finish. Install Git. Okay, now clone the GitHub repository to the Raspberry Pi. Copy. Git clone. Paste. Let's go to PiArtFrame. Install the needed Python requirements. Copy. Paste. Okay, let's install pip. Sudo apt install pip. Yes. Okay, now again pip install requirements. Okay, we need add break system packages. Copy, paste. This can take some time, so I speed up the recording. Okay. Okay, now we need to set the display type and debug flag to false. Let's go here. Okay, here we have the all supported display types. I copy this. Okay, now edit the main file. Okay, I need to change the display type. Paste. Debug is false, so it's okay. Okay, but I change also the size of generated images to fit my display. Yeah. You can also add a sleep time so that the display refreshes as a time you specify. Save and run Python main. And on the display you should see something like this. The script uses the Mandelbrot set to create these interesting and hypnotizing patterns. Each one is unique and perfect for a digital art frame. Once everything was set up, the EPaper display started cycling through the generated images, creating a dynamic but calming pieces of art. If you want to run it automatically every time you start Raspberry, you can add a simple entry to the RC local files. Copy, sudo nano, paste. Okay, let's edit this file or create new one. Okay, on the beginning add something like this. Okay, let's go back to the web page, copy this command and paste. But I need to change this a little because my user is not a Pi but Raspberry. Yeah, now looks good. Save. Need also add execute permissions to this file, so sudo chmod +x, copy the name of the file and paste. Yeah. Okay, now we can reboot. Sudo reboot. Now every time you start your Raspberry, this script should execute and generate a new image at the time you specified. What I love about this project is its simplicity and the endless creative potential. I'm already thinking about trying this with larger EPaper screen. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what else we can build with Raspberry Pi and a small EPaper display. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!